you're more mature spiritually. Ayo, it's nga hukole nga kusi hukola alo. Eko ni nga salapo nga adade. Temine inang lakachenya. Huji Dr. Ras loh miyene ujolia. Temine Dr. Ras miyene ujoli mine ayo nyuma aku yo nyinga le nga salalo nga salapo adade la. Said Miss Dr. Ras.
Yes.
But since he's not here, you are my spiritual father, spiritual cover. You're younger in age, but thank you for coming. Thank you.
Bless you.
I love you.
Yes. The first time I came here, I was 22 years old, I think. A lot has changed on my face and body since then. So. But my wife has stayed the same. Amen. Amen. It is always the highlight of our year to be able to come and be with you. It's also a highlight of our year to come and be with Dr. Ajay and Nancy. They are dear friends, and we feel like they're our, I want to say parents. Maybe I'll say aunt and uncle.
Allah hoje lao ne Allah hoje nganya ne ya chola mi ne na ayo asalapo amada la ku tulu mangena khoni salapo amu ho azola so ma
Yeah, Dr. Russ used to always say this because he knew it embarrassed me. He would always say, "Hey, that Jason," he'd say, "That's my pastor," and it always just felt strange, and it feels the same way when you call me your pastor. I feel very humbled by that. I do.
You are a great pastor. We are proud to say you are our pastors. Hoje lo Dr. Russ Jong e khoni ayo nyang ayo salalole ayo salali le engeti jo hoje ga zo zalanya yetemine use nga ayo nyang nga salapo amadama le nga salaloma le ene mine ga zalamia granuma le nga.
So I'm very honored to be able to share with you a word from the Lord this morning.
It's
a word that applies to every Christian and every nation and every culture. It is a biblical principle for us.
Yoga nalu numa pon hag ngetijo ageje agecha amia hu hola lo ho agetian desi agetian jo lu lo ho gulan piume le janya.
What I'm going to talk about this morning, it's a controversial topic in just about every Christian culture there is.
Alors hoji kaliza yoga nalu hanga jo mi kan duni jo kaliza de alors numa la hu gude de. And
we're going to be learning from the life of David about this topic this morning. And what we're going to be talking about is the understanding of submission to authority.
Na bau aya yau tiga hu ayue bau aya yanyanga ena ayo bau aya umu jonyanga le tikolu zogukau.
There are many different interpretations about what submission to authority looks like, but we're going to learn from the life of David. We're going to look at 4 tests that he passed, understanding what it means to submit.
Aya le bau aya le tu ajong emola le dozi omya ji punya me eko dozi pu hu nutanya na nutanya myanya alo eko ni ajuwe ga enga le sampada bio desir ne sampada bio desir hu aya omojonya ga ne di koluzo ka na aya omojonya ngala le tsemo ji janga na ino yo ha ko tsemo ji pi de no aya omojonya de ziti ngala aya umo jonya mine sampadabi aya ya cho ha pila
Many times when I look at the characters of the Bible, I think if they could come down from the cloud of witnesses and give us some advice, what would that advice be?
masih aduma sampadabio ntami khonjo thi khai u khalyo ne ngama homya domene le she ile ngama me bobi ne le she ngama no de zine zo gu pa ge mene le she le elonuma aji mene la uji la le nga ho shan nu yo ne ngang da bi de zine mene la ga du ji yo ana luang.
And as we look at the life of David, the common theme that I believe he would come and encourage all of us today, and he would tell us this: humble yourselves under God's authority.
Na nga jonya samrabi ino lao ne adu mene la nya lon ma adu ma ga yo bi nga ena aye ni do nu yu tao ne aya umo yo mu pai jo nya le ga bi te a le nga jonya.
I believe this was the key to David's life, and it was the key to what God used, how God used him, because his submission, how he submitted, he put the keys to his life into the hands of God.
He ngang jonya ati jomya mi ye aji mi ne da bien zum nya nga ena da bi tra ayo aya umo yo mu pai jo nya mi ne aya yo mu pai zum nya ne ayo de zi la hu bao aya nga.
And for us to remain faithful, for us to remain loyal, for us to succeed in everything that God's called us to do, we need to learn from the life of David.
Adu saja zi nyani na wezi zi nyani de adu sampada bia de zi ne ya zog nga.
And in order to understand David's journey to him becoming king, we need to go back to the nation of Israel.
Na ayo de zi ka ko hua Israel mi khon sampa jo be lao ne ni ga ti gang changa sampada bi de zi na ayo sampa jo be ga sampa so lu mu ya jo zo ga ko ne adu zog ka.
And you had the nation of Israel that belonged to God, and they did not have a king because God was their king.
Adam be nga Israel chu ha sampa le ma jo ade aji mi ne na de lu bao hu mi ya ayo ma sampa pi lu me.
God did not want Israel to have a king like the other nations. He wanted to be their king.
Adi ena mi ye Israel chu hang sampa ma bi jom ayo ga Israel chu ha sampa gu ne mo be.
But Israel looked around and they saw the other nations and they said, but God, we want a king we can see with our eyes.
Eko Israel chu ha gwa mi kha tao 错就错恰等好么呢？还阿错错就错恰可你上爬中啊，俺嘛可上爬中么呀嘞？哎呦嘛，笑me。
And God said, you don't want a human king because they're going to put a weight on your back and they're going to disappoint you and they're going to break your heart and they're going to be a burden on you and your children. And Israel said, we still want a king.
米耶以色列出行一年呗。 no ma dia ma sampa jo mo li la sampa jo na de no ma sampa ga umo ya jo ne kha be kho khan myo ta ji ta yo ha za kho ni sampa kla za kha ya bi gu yo ne sampa kha e lu ya gu nga no ma ko sha ga la khu shu ge ne ma lo e ko isa la chu ha e gu mo mya a cho kha jo lu jo mo mya a cho sampa jo lu a nga ho jo mo mya.
And so them a king. And his name was Saul.
And
Saul did not submit to the Lord. And he did not do what God had told him to do. And he was not a man after God's heart. And because of Saul's disobedience, God regretted that he ever made Saul a king. So God sends the prophet Samuel to tell Saul that God has rejected you as king over Israel.
Sampa so lumbi ene lima no ngau edo mana ha mi ne no nước món này cứ khao nè no nước món thừa yoga yong bị nè mà
So privately, the prophet Samuel goes to Saul and says, God's rejected you. And then privately, Saul goes to the house of David.
na
Jesse, sorry.
song pa solu on samula nè mi ye nong mà pha quê mẹ đi mà pha dùng mẹ lẽ anh nghe thì cho song pa solu alo ye xe cho cái liu mẹ samula alo ye xe cho cái ye xe phải ra cho cái liu mẹ
So he goes to the house of Jesse and he chooses David. And David was the youngest of 8 sons, and he was the shepherd of the family sheep.
samula solu mi ye nong mà pha dùng mẹ đi lẽ anh gạo nè ye xe phải nhung lên na ye xe ra yo mẹ gà trong à na ở đâu từ u lùm mẹ do mưa cao mà thế này đặc biệt alo một đồ nét này du hơn như cái gắng chịu
So David, being the youngest, when the prophet came, they just left David out in the field to take care of the sheep, but the rest of the brothers lined up for Samuel to look at.
ye xe ra yo anh nhỉ sao đặc biệt chịu nè alo có gì chỉ sát chỗ nè chỉ xe đào nè thì nó cứ lắng nghe sòng phải cái mấy đi lẽ còn này có gì cứ đỡ ai làm cứ lắng nghe đặc biệt ở đâu đỡ cứ đỡ yêu nè alo pili tí xoan nè cứ đỡ yêu nè đặc biệt cái con ăn bùa bị cho yêu
So the prophet Samuel comes, and he needs to anoint a king because God's rejected Saul, and he lines up these 7 brothers, and he asks Jesse, do you have any more sons?
ye tông samula ye xe nhung lên nghe nữ thay nhà mà là nè nói ra yo âm nhạc cho li lẽ ô yo nè nữ nè hư cái gì ngà luôn mẹ có chân đi cái mi nè lẽ chỉ xe đàn nè lẽ cái na mi ye măng à hư cái không măng à hư cái không măng à cái cho được thì cái măng à na thế mi nè samula na hảo mẹ ye xe nói ra gì mà là
So he says, yes, I have a son in the field. So they go and get David, and David walks in, and Samuel sees him and says, that's the one.
na ye xe ha hư đỡ măng thì cái tâm phát triển em không phải vừa như sao không phải do bố cho bị khúc khổ lại yo u lang nghe thì cho samula mong nghe mi ye ayo em nè mi nè hư gang à mi ye nè cha chỗ thảo à
So Samuel calls David over, and he pours oil over his head, and he anoints him as the king of Israel.
hôm nay samula đã biểu của ta chỉ写đạo nè chỉ cha chỗ nè mẹ hu po Israel sang phá yag la mẹ đi lấy chỉ cha chỗ nè
And so the prophet anoints David to be the king. And so he's standing there, and oil is dripping off of his nose. And do you know what David does next after he's been anointed king?
ye dans samula nè đã biểu của ta chỉ写đạo nè nè noa mẹ hu po Israel sang phá yag mẹ đi lấy anh nè
He goes back to the fields to take care of the sheep.
na đã biểu của lúa chỉ cha chỗ nè cái ta na cái gì là gì mà la sang phá nước măng nước lên mẹ la măng à hay ba yang nghe yap hư yêu nè yo phá bùi gì ayo yo yêu luôn
I mean, this is a big moment. This is a king, a coronation of a king who's been called and anointed to be king. And limousines didn't pull up, and nothing happened. He just went back to taking care of the sheep.
ha sang phá cái là chỉ写đạo cái chỉ cha chỗ nè ô lô mà lao nè chịu lao nè会破做哈个然后等nè mà ja ayo yo yêu luôn chỉ cha chỗ ngà lẽ thì gì mà bơ cái là ni yo ya phượng ya bố ya gì
So David has been anointed king, but Saul is still operating as king.
he sang phá ya cái mẹ lẽ chỉ cha chỗ à会把ya phượng yo bố bố cho echo sang phá mà phá ya cái đi lẽ no nước mắm cái kama lẽ cái nước mắm nước lúa gì nghe cái này
Now we know David eventually sat on the throne, but it was 15 years from when he was anointed king to when he actually became the operating king.
đã bien sang phá ya cái này chỉ cha chỗ会千啊虎个呢带好啊弟啊妈sang phá cái nước mắm ya nước lạc đấy
So David had to deal with Saul being the authority over the nation of Israel, even though he was anointed to be king.
thế mình này千啊虎变呢 มีเย็นนึกมองก็เข้ากันนึกมองมาเพียและนึกมองเหยียดเท้าคุยกับโอโมดับบี้สัมภาษณ์ลูโอโมดับบี้ยาชาเมยาตาเมยาโจ
I believe if David was here today, he would look at us and he'd want us to understand this idea that God will exalt you if you will humble yourself under God's authority.
งาเห็นแล้วเนี่ยอินดับบี้อดีมันเนี่ยคือกายจอลอนมาอดีมันคือรวยเอ็นเนี่ยหลังดูนื้อยูเท้านื้อยูเท้าเนี่ยมียังจออายามสลังเงยังยูโกเนี่ยละแม่
All of our lives are impacted by this principle and this truth about submission to authority, that God will exalt us if we'll humble ourselves.
ทำไมเนี่ยนื้อยูเท้าเนี่ยอายามโตก็ของตาเล็กเนี่ยดาเบียงจอกือพากันเนี่ยที่ก่อรัวอดีดาเบียงนื้อยูเท้าเนี่ยอายามโตก็ของจอกือเขา
And this is something we're going to have to deal with for the rest of our lives until we die. This understanding of what does it mean to submit under God's authority.
นื้อยูเท้าเนี่ยอายามโตคือที่โปแต่จีบังอาดีอายอโปอายอนะอายอมาชิที่สินื้อยูเท้าเนี่ยด่าเงานื้อมาคือยังอ่ะ
Even the life of Jesus, we read and we can see that as a child and leading up to the age of 30, he was submitted to authority.
สัมภาเยซูเดี๋ยวเขาเชื่ออายอมีเย่เปียวขออายออาโคสมเซโคมาขอลาสิขวกันนี่อามาดาอุโมยมือพายจอเนี่ยนื้อยูเท้าอามาดาอุโมยมือพายจอเนี่ยอายามตกเกิม
I mean, this is God in the flesh was submitted to authority in his life.
เยซูมีเย่เดยอเจนาลุสิญายอเจนาลุจังญาเอโลฮคนนี้ยอดูโบสหาซาเปียอามาดาอุโมยมือพายนื้อยูเท้าเนี่ยจอญากาจอกเขา
Every year, Jesus and his family would go to Jerusalem for the festival of Passover. And so they did this year after year.
ยอโคนาลูอะล่ะมาลีเขาอยู่เสเยซูเสือเนี่ยเยรูซาเล็มเมืองบาสาคายบืมาบืกาเลี้ยวเนี่ยยาล้อเนี่ยเลี้ยวไหม
And so after they went and had the festival, they were on their way home. And about 1 to 2 days, Mary says, "Hey, Joseph, where's Jesus?"
น่ะที่ปัวไอ้มาคุยคือละมาคือละเธอขังเฉาผ่าอะล่ะคุยล้อเนี่ยเยรูซาเล็มเมืองล้อเลี้ยงเอาเนี่ยอุเลี้ยงเนี่ยตัวเจ้าอุเลี้ยงฮะมาลียูเซลเลยอะไรเยซูก็ย่า
So they realize Jesus isn't with them, and so they go back to the temple and they find Jesus sitting among the teachers as a young man asking questions.
เยซูปุ่งเอ็มาปุ่งโมเนี่ยอายอมันเนี่ยมาเชิงมีเนี่ยน่าปูเนี่ยอากาปูโมเลียน่ะอุดุทยุยุมาละคือเมซังดอพาลิเซเดเนี่ยดอจะอุจงอ่ะ
And I can imagine that how that conversation goes. They find Jesus and they go, "Oh, we've been worried about you. What are you doing, Jesus?"
เยซูมองเอ็นเนี่ยไม่เอาเนาะอาจจะเจ็บอยู่เลยปูชัดเสียไม่เอาเลย
And Jesus innocently, he asked them this, "Why were you searching for me?"
เยซูงั้นอาจจะปูชัดเลย
And he said, "Didn't you know I had to be doing my Father's business?"
งั้นตากายมาและน้องสิญญามังเงล่ะน้องมาสิญญาเลยล่ะ
And so Mary says, "No, you don't. You need to come with me."
น่ามาลีอีนางงั้นอย่าเป็นนางข้ออุลีอีข้ออุลีและเยซูคู่มั้ย
Now, Mary knew he was God. Jesus knew he was God. He was 13. And Mary said, "No, you're not going to stay in the temple. You're going to be coming with us."
มาลีเขาเยซูมาลีเขา有些信仰没啦เยซูมีเยอะเลยเยซูมามีเยอะก็อยากมาเลย信仰没啦信仰没มาเดลิมินาเอ็นเนอเนเดลิอุบเอโลขออาจารย์ยุมอายามซาลา没啦อายามมาซาลามีเนมาบิโจยาถ้าโจยางานเนอุเลียวและ 耶稣瞧呢有有没空。
And so Jesus responded to Mary because he was under Mary's authority in the home.
阿姐妹呢那阿呀嘛查拉会跟你阿呀有冇呀种啊？阿咯阿呀嘛查拉会跟你阿呀有冇种呢？一道呀咖喱啊。
And so for 17 years, Jesus stayed in the home. He didn't go to the temple.
特别呢
He didn't live in the temple.
啊要阿妈的一道咖喱哦呢阿呀查拉呢好的提边边你咪也搞么？
Then another story, Jesus is 30 years old and they're at a wedding and Jesus is hanging out. He's enjoying stuff at the wedding.
那还有咁当别人嘅。 Umbaga ime alo zang le pagaji khaji gaji umbebepo umbaga ime
And the wedding celebration ran out of wine.
Na-
Sorry, go ahead. Yeah.
umbaga umba peza hu agaza ido jisho
And somehow Mary knows that Jesus can make wine. I don't know how, but she does.
mali sinyang alo Yesu agaza ido nyamele ajo sinyang usi alo Eko Yesu enega honge tijo Yesu sinyanga Yesu agaza ido nyamele bijala nyanga.
Now, I'm just imagining. Now, I don't know, did he make wine at home? Did she know this? Did she say, Jesus, we're running low on vegetables, and then bam, he made vegetables? I don't know. But she knew he could make wine.
Masih mengena ikon Yesu zana hone Malina Yesu agak jangan itu cum le agak bipi lah apa honyo ya genga enak ama maja agak cum lah apa honyo lu bijala hom mesti lah kumi ne sinyal mesti lah.
So she says, son, Jesus, we're out of wine. And Jesus says, woman, what does this have to do with me?
Na Yesu Mali enenge Yesu zamio alo ngang aji tak lah ngang ayam makula si lo. Tapi ne ya ena Yesu aku lu jeng majangnya alo ayo sinya jeng tija ayo madelimina mi ye za yo delimiti le hugane sinya.
So why, Jesus saying, why are you telling me this? My hour has not yet come, is what he says.
Tapi ne Yesu ne ayo mama li ene me ayam makula si lo ayam macala si lo no ngaji ke bangali le.
So after Jesus says that, Mary turns to the servants and says, do whatever he tells you.
Na hulu ene ga ta na ai mali chang do well na hoga aja me kila zakha ge de ene Yesu ha elwe mde.
And so Jesus tells the servants, bring me some water. And they did. And he turned it into wine and he obeyed his mother.
Tapi ne Yesu chichu biu lao ichu bi she bien ne asa salang ya aga za bi pi me ichu hui alo. Na hoga honga ti jo ti zang na asa sange ke ni Yesu ayo ma edo na hanga le mola alo.
And when he stepped into his public ministry after his baptism, his language changed. And now he says, I only do what I see the Father do.
Na ayo gam dang belao ne nge ti jo Yesu aji le nga ada me mo ne te mle ada nge lue te ngele ada mi ye nge lue ada mi ye mu lue te mle ngele.
No one is the exception to this issue of submission to authority. No one is.
Mi ye ne bizum le la na tigai nu na nu yu ma la o ma onya ayam ma donya chuang mi ye ma zuma.
And the truth is, all of us are under it, but most of us don't like it.
Yoga na lu ti je za ya ena aya o mo jolu me e ko ti ga na ma jo mo ma chwa jolua.
But there's something very powerful about a biblical understanding of what it means to be under authority.
E ko ya jo mi na jo te ma nge aya ya o mo nu na nu yu tao yo me jo te bao o me.
And when you understand the submission to God's authority, it will unlock revelation and it will unlock opportunity for you.
mi yen bi thao aya umo jonya so han mi yen ayoneza thao gulon ayoneza thao bao bizao le hum thao me
Because our submission to authority reveals something about us. It reveals how much humility we have in our hearts.
aya umo jonya thua ajinga nuno nuyu onga mi yen bizu monga mi yezum nyanga le mola ti ji
And I want you to hear this today, that you will never receive what you refuse to submit to.
nga ene nya de no za mo chi nuno nuyu ma aya umo ma jonya na za mo ji mazanya.
If you want authority but cannot submit to authority, you will never be given the responsibility of godly authority.
No aya umo ma jonya na aya ma ya. No aya umo ma jonya na aya ma zumnya.
People who don't submit to their boss will never become boss, will never have that authority.
De gam du ayiga umo ma jonya na huwa ti joy ayiga ma pa ya pi la.
But people who submit, even though they don't totally agree with everything with leadership, will find themselves at one point in their journey being in a role of leadership.
Echo agaga jolo ho ayiga umo yo mu pa jonya na ayam salange ayo ayiga gunyame.
Submission to authority in our lives reveals if you trust God or not.
He aya umo jo a cho la u onya tia mi yen wi nya ti nga le bi si la ti ji pi me de ho ji ade ayi ade ho ta jo ma mu ji ma bian ji lo ho kho ni aya ma chang e alo ya jo ayang yo mu pai jo nya tia mi ye zum nya ti nga le bi mo la ti ji pi me.
Every man and every woman that I know of that God is using and God is moving through them are people who understand how to submit to godly authority, whether they agree totally or not in all the decisions that are being made.
Nga sinya mi ye gamza za mi abu ma za yu ali ma ayu we chu han zum nga ena mi ye ne bi thao bao aya umo jonya chu han zum nga le hua bia che ni mo la ti ji pi me.
And the reality is, when you submit to authority that God has placed over you, you begin to accelerate in spiritual maturity.
Ade hota ya aya umo yu mu pa jonya na gulan sala pho soka khala lunga le mo la ti ji pi.
If you resist authority, it reveals, but it also forces you to stay immature in your spiritual walk.
Na no aya umo yu mu pa ma jomo la o yu mu pa ma jomo na he khwa gulan sala pho aneza no anene yo myanga le gulan sala pho ma donya ma onya nu na nu yu ma thanya yo ha nu ma ma ga linga le bi mo la ti ji pi.
We see the story that I know Dr. J is going to be speaking on of the armor bearer. The armor bearer said, do whatever is in your heart to do. That was him submitting to Jonathan's authority.
Inok ji ko lo zo gu ma alo yo na tha ho gu do ku kha ba ga alo anani gu do ku kha ba ga yo na tha umo jo nya nga ena alo yo na tha zo anya te ho ni gu lo lu ga aya ga athong ga ga de le ma le ne nya le gu do ku kha ba ga ma che wa de a ji le ene nga ena zo nga no de la ma le ene ne ti ko lo de le ne ji ga ko ele ga nyum ne ene ma. Amen.
So I want to give you 4 tests that each one of us must pass if we're going to understand and walk in the fullness of what God has for us.
He ho je he nyum ji de no nu na nu yu angala le se ho la ji ja de no yo ha ji se ho de no nu yu ana se ho ji ga li nya me.
And so David was under the leadership of King Saul. And how he responded to Saul, we see that God used that and elevated him.
Dabia ayong tsim hola hu jiang ayo nhau mẹ ai yo gà lấy nhau mẹ ai yo chết mua hư giang bị chết nhau mẹ đá nhau mẹ à sa lang nghe ai yo sang phá gửi lên mẹ thế mình nè à đừng mà hè đá biển nè cho người khác ai yo heo nè chết mua hư giang gà lấy nhau à
David was called a man after God's heart.
David mi ye ayong ayo kunga ena nga nu mang lao chwa la kwa David no mi ye nu mang le mi ye nu mang lao chwa pi mo mya la
And what we're about to look at was the key to God elevating him and God using him and God giving his favor on him.
he ayo che mo jiang da nya mi ne mi ye nu mang lao mi ye zum nya mi ye nu khon xiu bao aya sang party ga pi la me
Now, I want you to think about this for a moment. There is no need for submission if you agree with your authority.
देखो जी आदे योजे नालू निमा चालोन मा निन न यू मा yang आदे आयु ने लो आदे को ताजो आयु de ने निमा चालोन मा निन न यू मा yang आदे को ताजो सो हा ने निमा मा चागी लो निन मा दु जी या मी ने खो me ne निन न यू yang lao ne aya ma cha la ko ko ni निन न यू o ne la o ne
So if Dr. Ajay and I are walking together and we're walking to all this direction, it's the same, we're doing fine, but all of a sudden if Dr. Ajay goes this way and then I keep going this way, but we have to go together. So he's the leader. I'm not the leader. But I was okay walking this way because we were walking together. But then when he turns and I go, but I want to go this way. And he says, but we're going to go this way. I have to make a decision. So I cannot submit and go this way, or I have to submit and go this way, even though I want to go that way.
ayo ha nu khong gu la o ma joni nu nang nu yu ma thani ema nga nu khong gu ma le lg pi shoi.
So it's in those moments when we don't disagree that we have to make a decision. What am I going to do? Am I going to submit or am I going to rebel?
Termine ti ko lo chon ne ho nge me nu nu ma chang e lo. Ayi de ho lo nu nga ho lo nu nya le Hulue cứ lắng nghe thì cho nga nương nào nương yêu thảo nè lão o nè thì có lue trong em mà ngư na nga yêu ha nương không gửi là.
So our tests about submission to authority they come up when there is something we don't understand or agree with.
Có chỉ để xem mà Adam bel chỉ miếng đồ la ena adu nương mà chang nghe nương nương mà chang nghe mà khó giải nghe mà bỏ giải nghe có gì em mà giúp người bằng là học không nghe đủ là.
So we're going to look at 4 tests that we all must pass if we're going to become like David.
Để có gì adu David lue mi ye ne bizum le na mi ye nương mang lao cho hạt bị la nhà ni David lue xem lao giang和giang adu ya ga li nhang.
And the first test is the arrogance test.
Adam bel xem mơ giả de nương mà hưng la lẽ xem mơ nương yu ang la lẽ xem mơ alo nương mà hưng ni nương yu bị ang mua mi.
So remember, David was anointed king over Israel, and Saul, the current king, did not know.
Na hưng nghe sampasolu masinya de. Alors, sans pas seulement Massigna, ça me l'a né à bien, สัมภาบิกลานี่ที่สาโจแม่เลย
So the armies of Israel were out fighting, and Goliath, we've all heard the story, Goliath was defying Israel and speaking ill of Israel, and so David was going to take food out to his brothers.
alors 佢只以色列拉出下ဖိလိတိ出下那个的呢ဖိလိတိ个马个虎啊哥利亚啊那以色列拉出下嘛得一铺啊那他呢大比要不教会要单呢那都不个啥个呢就个咋多小孩一些来那边呢苗黑我呢个的就个一毛啊咯
So David is walking up to the army, and he's got his food, trying to find his brothers, and he hears this man off in the distance taunting Israel and cursing their God.
那大比啊咯拍同马小呢嘛咋到on头呢有都咯瞧个啥的个啥么去动头呢就个那应该提着还胡个哥利亚古怪以色列拉出行的以色列拉出行米样也不是乱眼个有一个
So let's hear what David says to Saul out of 1 Samuel chapter 17.
那他呢大比要你妈妈你看嘛写他们呢要或者哥利亚那个的嘛来上爬所路安那当他个嘛或者靠不咪有大塔了，是不？OK， ที่สมุลาเดมาเสสีเดจะสมเสนียนะสมเสกงกันนี่ที่ก็รู้กันมาเดตินิสมคุยงดาบีสอลวงเอ็นเอสหาเทกาบัดานที่กายนึมานึกาทบีใบนอคือลายอพิลิติสหาเฮกังเดยมาคุยงสอลูดาบีเอ็นเอno io ne piliti soha huga ne gu madainya ajemine ena noa zagu tengasi ayoa zaguang ene gu de soha gu laume Jimela okay okay some say 哎，可大比所论安那，脑壳拉表牙到用不拢诶，阿拉就是好看红要忙呢，要啥把啥人诶，牙用从这个第三呢，要啥有看苗呢，比不有嘛。ayo sotua ngang chelana nga ayo memo tu theo di se ma no kila ala jashi ho kha mu se ma de lu mi ye gu ma che cho sha lu bo ko me za ma ye piliti soha hugang ho jeza hui ti mong lue jonema. Okay.
So during this interaction, remember that Saul, again, is still the appointed king, but David is the anointed king.
Henge kuni sampa solu numang nuo ne sampa geluasi. Alors, eko dabi ho yedan samula ne sampa mehupo sampa gelani gadu cisa zota mesi sheda nega.
And David says, I'm going to kill that giant. And he tells the story. Listen, when I was watching my daddy's sheep, I took care of the lion, I took care of the bear, and I'm going to take care of that filthy Philistine.
Na dabi sampa soluan nga Goliath ne doi ma enge alio. Goliath tu yo zang ne gede de la no yo bo nga ji pa jang nya na dabi ji la. Oh, sampa no khla ga nga mi ye wo ne di. Bo jo ga kamu di se. Ala ja shi ga ala ja shi di se ma. He bo ko ma me za ma ye de ga ko nga de se yi ba.
And Saul says, no.
Alors, solo nu jang ma si ta i ma bi.
You're too little. He's going to kill you.
nó thứ thế là chỉ cho em lấy cái trong nhà mà chứ nhị mẹ có chế cho thì ông
And then David comes back to Saul with a righteous appeal. And he responds with these words. He says, your servant.
à tao bên nghe ayo họ sẽ dễ lối đua ngã lúc họ mới lúc gọi mà ai còn nhớ sao sao nghe xong pháo nó cứ là hư à lẽ nương nó nương yêu thảo nè.
So Saul said, no, David did what we're all supposed to do if we disagree. There is a righteous appeal to the authority that God has placed us under, and we are to be as a servant to whoever whoever God has placed us under.
à tao bên nghe xong pháo số lu thấy mà bị nó hư tệ lẽ nó ai còn nhớ đặc biệt ayo nương nó nương yêu thảo nè xong pháo ngã nó cứ là ra khá thì gà biểu nó sao mà lẽ nương nó nương yêu thảo nè che cho sao mà ngỡ yêu giờ bầu là cái ai ya ủng hộ yêu mình phải cho nhau đỏ nghe nghe thằng sao
David has been anointed king. Saul has been rejected by God and is telling David no. And David says, your servant.
hay hơn nghe đi xong pháo số lu nước mắm nước lụng à lẽ người ta là phò họ ai ya phò cứ khăn này bên đặc biệt yêu bố rằng à lẽ nước mắm mà nước ngà xí lẽ ayo ai ya ra thảo mẹ xong phá cứ ai ya na xong phá cứ ai ya ra thảo họ à cha ngã xong phá cứ lẽ mi nhân này chỉ sao做节奏嘞然后嘛哎nước nào nước yêu thảo xong phá lẽ số luồng yêu dự bỏ gì.
So without the blessing of Saul's authority, David will not go.
David được gà nhà họ xong phá số lu ai ya nhúng cái này ai ya ya gà umo mà cho ayo mà ya ai ya ya gà umo dùng mực phải cho ai ya ya gà phiếu này để ima lẽ ayo nương mà hulu thả thở mẹ.
But then Saul gives David permission, and he goes out and he kills Goliath.
Asa salangnya solu khonir David phiền này mẹ alo yo lẽ được yo lẽ na David yo nè được yo nè có lý yang được gạo.
This is where the test came in.
Hay hơn mẹ sẽ mưa gì phiền.
David knew that Saul had been rejected by God, and David knew that he himself had been anointed by God to be the king of Israel.
David xin ra mẹ solua mẹ hú phò sang mà phá bị gửi lẽ mi yên nè nữ mong nè gửi khá gạo ngang David alo ngã mẹ hú phò sang phá ya gửi ni solua nữ mong ngã bị nè lão nè ngã mẹ hú phò sang phá ya gửi mà.
If I was David, maybe I would have said something like this. I would have said, Saul, do you know who came to my house the other day?
Mà si David nữ nằng nữ yêu thảo ai ya umo cho nhà ngã lo David mà ngã lo nữa yêu anh này gì mà ngã lo nữa là nè số lúa nó gì mà hôm nay nó biếng lăng số ngài không lao nè gì biếng lăng là gì mà là.
Saul, don't tell me what to do, because the same prophet that anointed you to be king came to my house and anointed me to be king.
Ngã lo nữa hè để nó nhúng nước mắm nước lụa anh là khả năng mẹ hụt phá xong phá phá ya gửi mẹ lên ngã giờ đó sầm mưa lang ngang chỉ sao chỗ này ngã xong phá ya đá lia lẽ anh này người.
So whether you like it or not, Saul, I'm going to go and I'm going to kill that Goliath, and I'm going to show you what a real king looks like.
Hè, thế mình này số luôn nó phiền mà phiền khoảng người nó im mà bị im khoảng người ngã yêu này hè có lý do được gãy mà được sĩ mà.
He could have made it even sound very spiritual. Yes, but I'm going to do it in the name of God. He's mocking God, so I'm going to go and kill him. I don't care what you say.
Mà gì mà người na em mà cái gì đó nhưng mà khử cái này nhưng là nếu dùng chẳng cứ đỏ hồng dùng ngày đâu lại như na mi ye ngang chơi mi này nga mi ye ayaw mo cho này nó ayaw mo mà cho này mi ye ayaw mo cho này được gãy mà lẽ có ba la nhân.
But he didn't do that.
Nga lo nó không nghe người tu có đặc biệt không nghe bela đặc biệt không mà cha.
David was the next big thing in Israel, but he was not the big thing yet.
Đặc biệt mẹ hu phò cho hư cho mà ya bị la mẹ có nhúng khát zơ nia 所以从马里来，你妈妈去很什么呀？哎呀，我们有没有拍照样没？
David was not arrogant, but he could have been, but he passed the arrogance test.
大比你妈去伢拍个去，你妈妈去你能你有安呢？哎呀，我们有没有拍照样？
The second test that he passed in submission to authority is the abuse test.
对面呢，切么阿当bel姐的，喏，你能你有安嘛啦？喏，那你妈去来啦，你妈他去，你能你有安？那系用切么你姐提姐那也不切路个切么姐。
And this is the big question because almost everybody I know, including myself, has been hurt by spiritual authority in their life.
系或者阿德在日会打阿姨阿窗也不切路个你阿婆来播。
Now, it's different from being abused and being hurt, but we need to understand that we have to ask the question, what do we do if we are under abusive authority?
或者咯，阿德阿有也讲啦，阿有讲查啦，或者阿德会打就出下德阿德也不切路埃啦，唔啦嘅提咗阿德也不切路埃也嘅胡咩啦，也讲胡呢咩啦。
Let's look and see how David handled this.
係佢家講大連呢個特別做嘅卡。You want to read?
Yes, it's 2 Samuel 19, 9 through 11.
啊啦，提什麼啦？的嘛，這個的咋個樣呢？這點個呢？提個老土嘛，啊啦，呢個提開個啦面呢？提個老土呢？個嘛啊啦的，提什麼啦？的嘛，這個的咋個樣呢？這點個呢？第二種，佢嘅亞威米樣呢？沙拉有的，所路會打扎卡了咩？佢嘅所路阿有阿拉拉佢講包。 阿有牛么拉块，你罗大比啊，阿有阿拉呢，都出地路咩？会个少路大比讲呢，卡票卡票就做手来做咩？个大比阿有咪呢？ 讲会看卡片就做个咩？会面呢？会眼面大比较节奏咩？会眼少路到做唔咋的，还个有小破大比比手来大比你们比老友咩？会眼大比米咋米卡。 大兵安尼，牛子no的是马接着呢，你说no也比什么 ？Okay.
So, no matter what authority you might be under, if that authority is throwing spears at you, it is time for you to leave. That is for sure.
Can you say that again? I'm sorry.
No matter what authority you're under, if that authority starts throwing spears at you to kill you, it's time for you to actually really leave.
De no ayi lo no song pa lo gong bao ne no ju la na快接接着快接着的妈妈你ju la na ma 接着
Saul was very jealous because there was a song going around about how Saul had killed his thousands, but David his 10,000s.
好嘅，特別有個哩人都搞咩呢？所路錯一人都人呀特別湯咩人都人呀咧，古怪炒咩呢？所路。 特別面那拿拉他，後面呢，所路阿羅特別寫咧多。
So Saul tries to kill David, and David responds by slipping away.
對面呢，講包呢就會咧特別就會個特別節奏咩？
You know what's interesting is that here is David. He has been a shepherd. He's taken down lions and bears, and he was really good with a sling and a giant. He's taken a giant down. he didn't pick up the spear that barely missed his head and throw it back at Saul. He didn't do that.
ဒါဗိဒအယောယောဘုံငယ်ခါမခောစေညာအလာကြရှင်းခောစေညာဆောလူအယောဂွန်နဲ့ဂျောနဲ့လာအယောဒီဖောနဲ့ဂွန်ခွေကဖြောင်းဂျူတူထာကအယောယေဘွိုင်ချန်လေလောလောနမခွေဘောင်းနဲ့ဆောလူခောဂျူစေညာဒူလာဂျူစေညာတဲ့အခုအယောခလူမဂျန်ယေဘောဆဲလွဲဂျန်လာကယေဘောဆဲလွဲမဂျန်ခုနဲ့
David did not return evil for evil. I don't know how I would respond in that situation. I'll tell you a quick story. One night, my wife and I were eating dinner, and we were out sitting next to a street, and a homeless man who was on drugs walked up to me.
ที่มีจีห่อใจละนี้พอร้านอาหารอ๋อน่าเอาคือหอชาใจชัวจีบาตัวเยี่ยวเนี่ยลาจี
And before he walked over, he stopped about 20 feet or probably 40 feet out and just stared at me while I was eating, and he was making me feel very uncomfortable.
น่างานนึกเท้าเนี่ยก็จะใจจงให้ว่าละอุ้งคือพวกมันนี่ขาก็ช่างอุ้งเราคือหนาเลี้ยวเนี่ยเขาจูเนี่ยละจีเขาจูละจี
So he started walking towards me with his eyes locked on me, and I didn't want him to come over, so I just said, "Hey, don't come over here."
น่าหอจูเท้าเนี่ยลับให้ดื้อๆหลัวไม่เนี่ยทาราโนและเอ็นเดลี
And as he walked towards us, he took out a glass vial that had some drugs in it, and he put it in his hand, and he snorted it, and then he put it back on, and he walked over with this glass vial towards me.
น่าคุมาใจยูเนี่ยเราเขาจะมาสิฮูกาเขาเขาจะผงขาวล้วนเราอย่าพี่ผิวล้วนเขาดองเนี่ยและน้ำเนี่ยและชูเนี่ยนักเขายูเนี่ยพลายพช่างอะไรจะอยู่จุก
And I was agitated because my wife and I don't get the chance to go to dinner very often, and this was special, and this crazy guy is ruining it.
น่าช่างลามีเนี่ยงั้นอร่อยนึงมาสานี่กันละมาเมียงขังที่พวกนั้นมาเงินน่ะมางานอย่างละนี่ดูเนี่ยเขารู้ใจยกขาอายามายา
So he walks over and he gets pretty close, and he takes the glass vial and he throws it at me.
น่าคุยว่าช่างเล่าเนี่ยรับเพนน่าคุยขุมาจากคุยยูเนี่ยงั้นบีกันละ
Now I grew up with two older brothers, so I had to have quick reflexes. I caught the glass vial, and without thinking, I threw it back at him and hit him in the head, and it sounded like someone thumping a watermelon when I hit him.
น่าอายุตัวนี้ก็จะมีเนี่ยมาคุยหลักของหลักน่าคุยมาชัดๆนี่จอท้าจะมีเนี่ยอายุคุมาคุยยูแล้วเนี่ยบีกันละไงคุยเหนียวเนี่ยอายุบีกันเนี่ยดวงบีตัวเนี่ยมีสารคุยจะปนเนี่ยก็ช่วย
I didn't even think about it. I just did it, and it hit him in the head, and he stumbled backwards.
มาช้าหน่อยนี่เราบีละไงแล้วเหนียวเนี่ยบีกันนะนักขังพอก็ช่วย
And then I felt bad, and I said, "What's your name?"
น่าเขารู้จังอันนี้บีกันยังละโอ้ยมาบีเนาะเราหนุ่มว่าเขาเมียอาจจะจังเจ้าเมียละมาจังเราหนุ่มว่าเขาเมียหนุ่มแล้วเนี่ยอยู่ก็อินเนี่ยนอสเมียเจเล่น่าหิม
He said his name was Isaac, and I said, "Well, that's a biblical name." And he said, "Yes."
น่าอยู่งานสมัยอิจฉาและคุยน้องเย่บุหรี่คุยสมัยจมถามเมียน่ะเงื้อมาเลย
And the whole time there was this big knot that was getting bigger on his forehead.
น่าคุยรู้ไงจงอยู่ดูเนี่ยแล้วรู้ตัวละจะอยู่ในบิว
But I just did it. I just threw it at him, and it hit him in the head without even thinking about it. David did not do that.
อ๋อเขาจะอยู่ด้วยจังหวะอะไรอยู่ด้วยเขาจังหัวเนี่ยดาบีคุณรู้จังยาล้อห่อคุณรู้มาจังหัวก่อนจุละก่อนมาจุหัวเนี่ย
Now we also see that David did not let Saul just keep doing that to him either.
น่าคนเนี่ยสรุปเนี่ยที่ปูใช่ที่ปูมากันที่ปูเลี้ยวมาปนี่มาบิจังอ่ะ
So he got out of there. So God does not expect us to stay under abusive authority.
ถ้ามีเนี่ยกันเนี่ยจอกจีจริงอะไรน่ะ 阿等有对将那个有对嘛也讲话，也boy将那个也boy嘛也讲话，哎罗好呢，胡个叫做头呢，也boy比将有对比将比将也叫来弄忙啊，阿门。
But it's important for us to understand that there's a difference between suffering and abuse.
或者阿都下上大后，也boy比将的头不干的嘛都了，我拉咩啦？ 下上大头啊，哎嘛，午夜的，哎嘛，下上末了头啊，啊都我呢也打呀没，阿门。哎好，啊有提个叫呢，啊有提个呢也包，哎比将叫话，多罗也叫了嘛啊，有对比将大叫了，胡乱嘛啊，阿门。
I know that, well, I'll say this, all leaders are flawed, and I know that people have suffered under my leadership because of decisions I've made. They have felt suffering from loss or change.
或者啊都错下子嘛病呀咯，嘛没记呀咯，对，俺们都好哎嘛，嘛没记咪呢，俺学个俺无论俺哎呀没教的，你妈妈啥呢？年呢，将呢，呢呀我都。 啊咯，嘛或者嘛嘢咯，啊或者啊比處理比道理咧啦，嘛我攞可能處理道理咯，也冇也將住不單呢。
And all authority except for God's is flawed.
他們呢，包啊呀出個錯下子，啊呀出個他嘛變價嘛沒價。
And all of us are going to suffer under authority at some time or another.
啊的咁大啊，也惡字呀咩，也大字呀咩，啊咯，啊這嘛這好字，啊嘛也不會講有對。 將來阿啲拉堂拉那咧，將來咧葫蘆忙嘅那阿啲呀哦，哎個拉堂拉啊拉那拉啊也不將來啊，有啲咩咧時日，將來啊咧那，佢阿啲呀大咧忙啊，哎個哎嘛住宅唔緊呢，又話那路咪有些看些多啦，你唔個都唔那，呀大字咧學呀咩，特別呢特你字呀些把呀比把的。
So I want to clarify again, suffering causes discomfort, abuse causes damage.
下上當嘅阿丁馬沙嘅啦啲啊，一個也不將來嘅阿丁拉做住邊，let me say that 嘅，我們一錯啲，也不講啱咯，下上當好也不比嘅下上也打咩阿咩，一個也不也比嘅咩啦，咪也比嘅。 阿吉米呢？那我們來說的，下上大啊，馬沙個啦咩？一個也不會比個啊，阿點來做啦咩？他們呢？一麼下上啊，也打咩？一個也不會啊，嘛也比個阿門。接住。
But David did not retaliate. He still was submitted to Saul. But he distanced himself from the abuse, but he didn't rebel against Saul.
所路的大兵也不會講咩，拉頭拉腦手來解咩？那大兵也不會講啦，我咧也不會嘛講話，也不會嘛講話，但係我也不會比講嘅殺處理嘛做啊，還有解咩？嘛配啊嘛麼啊？一個還有解子來解咩？
So David, the example of David is not saying that we're to submit to abusive authority, but we are called to submit to imperfect authority.
他們呢，哎呀，我冇做啊，也不會比講做個哎忙個的，哎個哎呀，我冇做啊，也不會比講嘛做個啦，嘛配合你呢，嘛沒合你呢，嘛切合你呢，講嘛煮合你，哎嘛呢，阿門。
And we're to submit with a good attitude, but we do that not for the glory of the leader, but for the glory of God.
阿都也不會將來阿爺出門那提個拿回，也用破白擦擦呢。阿羅好處理牌票麼加不加對，一把他也下到節，嘛也個哩呢，也用特別阿羅所亂節奏羅好。 所亂也不會忙嘢的，嘛將苦嘢的，忙嘢苦嘢。
So David had a test, and he didn't retaliate and kill Saul, and he didn't dethrone Saul, and he could have because everybody was singing his praises. He slipped away, and he passed the abuse test.
ဒါဘီအယောနခွန်ကောနဲ့အမနနနယူမအယာအမမဂျောလနမအယောမေဇာခုရောနဲ့ဖူလေလနုံခောဖူညာအဲ့တော့အဂူမာခေါနီအယောချန်တဲနဲ့စောလွန်လာစေပြညာတဲ့အခုဒါဘီခုလိုမဂျန်အယောရဲ့ဘွိုင်းမဘီဂျန်နီအယောကျေဇငါလာအယောစောလွန်取礼牌得礼牌也不爱麻将，哎呦，你妈妈喝，哎呦也不爱麻将活。
The third test that all of us are going to have to pass in order to fulfill everything God has for us is the advantage test.
这么送节的，今啊嘞那也那个多，那波火也那个多呢。mà mưa gì chẳng hủ là bộ hủ khuê đứng chế la đi mà chế hủ phái đại hủ phái sao là nghe.
So this is when you have an advantage over the authority that you are under, and most all of us will have an advantage in some way over that authority.
Thế nên để yêu hàng mưa la ni để mà tu ni, yêu hàng yêu đối tượng luôn, yêu đối tượng khó, yêu hàng mưa la ni. ai dám tổ khuyên cái các anh có lúc mà tình sống do hàng mười ni tổ các con nè sẽ mơ alo hay thì có lúc mà đi shall we read?
Yes.
Should I read? Okay.
No, hang on one second.
Okay.
Yeah, just
Sure.
a couple things.
Yeah.
So David had advantages over Saul. He was more popular. He was more powerful. He had all kinds of advantages over him.
David hơn nha ayo solu namache cho yalia cho nước không xia cho haga alo Goliath họ đưa ra ayo gươm máu họ như cho gum nha na ayo mi không ra yali phái ayo để lũ mi nè.
David had an advantage when Saul was pursuing him. Saul comes to the place where David is. And Saul goes into the same cave where David is at. And without Saul knowing it, he cuts a corner of his cloak, of Saul's cloak off, showing that he had an advantage.
Saul đã bien gần chúa na đã bị bơi chết mẹ lo chết na Saul là cái thà mẹ la mà thà cái chết rồi à lấy bị bơi ngã ba khá lúc biểu cho mẹ chi lấy ya cào mi nè cứ mà sửa nè Saul đã bị sợ lẽ thế na cái ý ngã na khá lúc biểu thì biểu thế đứa này là khá lúc biểu thì biểu nãy ngã na xin nhầm là Saul nãy ở khá lúc biểu bỏ đã bị hụt cái chế giáo này cho lo hông à đã bị hụt chế giáo này cho na Saul yêu khá thà hè Saul sẽ phải là bộ hồ lon mà lo dễ lắm à nhúc à yong sẽ là cái yong sẽ là theo hè nhúc à là thằng là na hồ sẽ hồ lên na là bộ hồ lên na hè nhúc à dễ là thằng.
So Saul leaves the cave. David walks out, holds up the corner of the garment, and says, Saul, you think I'm trying to kill you, but look, I could have just done it, but I did not.
Na David Saul yêu khá ngã là xin na khá lúc biểu này là khuyên này đua này Saul phải không mẹ già dẻo này mà sẽ ni chế độ liao này gọi cho ta chế đa liền này đã Saul ngã nó sẽ lo nó sẽ nhà mà nhà bị juju xong phải Saul anh em.
Then Saul says this.
Khuyên nghe thì cho hè Saul này đặc biệt hư lũ anh em đó biệt mẹ alo đặc hư nghe đi đặc biệt bữa cho du chế đa thảo này anh alo này Saul này đặc biệt nghe này đó thì xem là đêm mai nhị sẽ ở đây cô này nhị sẽ cái này cái mà tin số đặc biệt Saul đó hư lũ nghe này gà nghe Saul ngao ra yo đặc biệt thứ ga nghe lúa thế sa normal là khuyên na Saul thế sa gu khao ngựa mẹ khuyên na ayo đặc biệt anh nó ngã na mà chế cháo đâu số hà mẹ à chị mình anh ngã nó phê là so yo de nè khó nó ngã phê là so yo mù dê khổ nè là mẹ y nó ngã mù nè là các có bi si bi mò mà a dê mi nè ena ya về mi ye nè ngã nó à là khuê a nè khó nó ngã mà sẽ nè là mà ngỡ lon mà số hà thì gà yo hang mưa số hang ola ya mo nghe yo mưa phiếu bi cho nè là ta là ina nó ngã hơ lue nè là ở mi nè ya về mi ye nó mưa phê là so bi nè lu nó à đi sang pa ya gờ lao isa lê lao u lơ dư ra nó à là khuê là gì thở nga lẽ hè nhú nga si đùa mà amen.
On another instance, David's men had an advantage on Saul, and they were going to kill him. But David says, no, who can touch the Lord's anointed and be guiltless?
David so luôn sẽ lần mà sẽ nhà mẹ David chẳng theo alors ayo gu cho he nga so luôn sẽ mà đi lẽ họ cho mẹ na David ở đâu mà mi yên nè chỉ cha cho hoàng chữ mà thuê chỉ mà sẽ lẽ là nào mẹ.
David recognized that Saul was the king, and if God wanted Saul to be removed from the kingship, God would be the one to do it, not David.
David wo cho thằng à bảo ai ya cái co sang pa so lum mà mười chia mà lo ho mi yene ayong nu mo nu ni cho cha cho thảo chi cha cho thảo mi nè cho ha mà cái khắc mà ayong mi ye yu khale yu zele le na mi na bi ja te a de cho ha ye boy dân hồ là bố hồ ye la cái đó nè dân hồ mà cha lẽ đặc biệt nhưng mà là khuê si tu thảo.
So David passed the advantage test and trusted God and did not take things into his own hands.
Thế mình nè đặc biệt ayong chế mua gì cái này cái ayong đa nhà mẹ đi ayong sẽ phải ye la thảo bự alo nó yo đôi gì dân hồ ye la cái ye la nghe mà yo đôi mà dân hồ ni là bố mà bố hồ ni mà gia đôi hồ ni yak mà đa hồ ni gà lên nhà mà là hay thế mẹ ai giàu ôm mua yo mười phải cho nhà ở.
And here's the truth, you will always have an advantage over your authority. But here's the thing I want you to understand. God has given you those advantages to help serve your authority, not force your authority out. God's given you advantages for the purpose of serving your authority, helping your authority, not using those advantages to push him out, to push them out.
Hối chỉ lo à đưa thì gặp yo anh nào thì gặp hậu mùi cho mẹ lo hôm nay gặp mùi cho lấy gì na hối đường gia đình phải sao là nhà mẹ vậy là mẹ em mà yo đưa gì chẳng hụt phải để che hụt phải gia bu gia đưa hụt nè phải yo đưa em hụt nè phải sao là mẹ mi ye nong ai ya o mo bi jo khua no khu ta ya yang bi phu le mang nga no ai ya o mo bi jo khua no ai ya khu zu mo ne no ai ya khu ta jo gang ye bo se lu ma bi jo ni no ai ya khu ta jo khu wa cứ là gõ nè nư nè nư yu tháo nè mi ye ai yang đỏ nhà ga mi ye à đương yo cho na lu chế lu à đi thế mi nè gia bu gia đứa phải yo cho na lu ye la ai họ thay gia đứa na khoe nó ai ya ya nhà choang à nó bị phù bị mưa choa mà bị đô la ni nó ai ya dùng nhà choang à lẽ bị đô la thì chỉ phía.
The fourth test is the association test.
Asa sao sẽ mujia de, ajeng asa sao sẽ mujia
Says
Okay.
freeze. Says freeze.
It's frozen. Okay, frozen. 或者節目眼啦，嘈嘅講大了呢節目的，
Yeah, which is simply just means the people that we hang around.
嘈嘅個節目啊，no，阿蘇話呢嘈哩，阿蘇話呢阿嚴重大哩。
So what this really means is that David was very careful about who he allowed to be around him.
特別阿有用啊，阿蘇話呢嘈哩咧咯，阿蘇話呢嘈，阿蘇話呢嘛嘈哩咧。
One day, a young man came to David, and he was telling David that Saul was dead and that he had killed Saul.
佢那個人嘅所路佢得個咯，比得疼比得惱呢，所路食哩咧，一兩個特別，哎呦呢所路食個嘛。
And the young man comes and he says, "See, here's his crown, here's his bracelets. I killed him."
嘿，我哎有小火，哎有米切，哎有更好有啦嘛，嘿。 我呢食嘛咧，農มือ咩咯，農嘢不會做咩咯，係我呢食嘛咧，哎呦個路啊，哎呦特別錯吧嘛，特別哎呦下個的啊，用起片的啊，起片的啦的啊，咧哎呦牛。
Now David, he didn't say, "Oh, finally Saul's dead. Now I can live free. Finally he's gone. I can be king." That's not how he responded.
特別啦下嘛切的。 特別去攞咩呀？哦，有門啊，硬門啊，石啊，咁嘛，攞咗人啊，攞頭頭毛嘛咧，去攞咩呀？
This is what David said to the young man.
係特別呢，所攞石人阿姐咧一定啊，阿咯，啊好似佢啊，你什麼啦，都嘛地的啦，這什麼呢？這個個你哋啲個個嘛，啊 ，OK， 啊。tiga okay khuyên na đặc biệt ayong zaga liu zagu khuyên gang ene no agaga ne uli khuyên nghe ayo ekhu nga amale soha bimi si khao zama khuyên nghe đặc biệt zagu khuyên gang ene no ayue yawe mi yene chi cha zo gang no ala cho giáo ne la cho phứ nha khuyên na đặc biệt gia cụ đỡ là khuyên ne thì gắng khu lão eo đo phê liao ayong đỡ seo khuyên nghe ayo khuyên gắng đỡ ne bị siêu mẹ khuyên nghe đặc biệt số hạ khuyên gắng no xia no udua khuyta gada liu me ajemine ena no khamene yo ha yo le saki khamo e nga yawe mi ye ne chi cha zo gang se ma okay da cái gì
Yeah. So it's really important we learn from this because David refused to be around somebody who was rebelling against authority.
thế mình hơi cho người chia thì phở mưa nhưng mà ở chỗ này thà cho chú tuấn mi yên này short trả chỗ thầu chỉ trả chỗ thầu cho thời chiều也不是路去了得了牌thời chiều chỗ này cho thà cho.
This is a decision that you have to make in your life that you're not going to allow yourself to be around people who are rebelling verbally against or in actions against the authority that God has placed you under.
Thế mình này ina phở cái yamo gonga de yamo du nga aga I khoni yoha ai chuan ja bu ja teo sala samang ye boy he hua da bi kholo ma ge de da bi kholo ma ge mi ya zang me no ti ga phang phở mu na ta zang le nong phở mu so ha ho yoga yamo.
In Bible college, I applied this principle when someone came in my room and they started talking negatively about the leader of our Bible college and just attacking them with false things, gossiping.
Ayo ye bu zong e alo ye bu zo za ti ga สลาที่ก็มันน่าหันน้องพายจะบูจะดูอีบ้าเท้าคุณรวยเงี้ยจี
I stood up and I walked over to the door and I said, "You can leave now." And I shut the door behind them.
น่าอายอยู่จังไงนะโชกูรอหือรอยอหาสลาสมังจะบูจะดูสุหางมหากดีโดยในเราและเราผิดเท่านั้นเลย
Because I made a decision, I will not be guilty of associating with people who are in verbal or actional rebellion against the authority that God has placed over me.
อาจจะมีในนางเยชูยมือพายหากเราแต่น่ารุ่นนึกเจมางาอายชูงาสลังจะบูจะดูเจอีบ้าเท้าเจเย่บอเซลัวหุ่นมาจงและนึกเจถางมีในงาหุ่นก็สุหางมาฮอนเนี่ยมาฮอมชอมาชอ
And so what we see how this worked out for David is David's submission to authority, whether he liked it or not, he trusted God. His submission to it brought supernatural favor, blessing, and protection from God on David's life.
เฮ้ดาบีอายสัมพังอายมาผือมามือมีเนี่ยอายเดซิหุตามีเยอะกลังก็ตื่นไม่ได้มีเยอะเวมือเจมีเยอะยอมมือยอจ่าขังเงอเจอายหุตาบิกเลียม
I believe these principles today, if you would apply them in your life, you're going to see God begin to bless you. You're going to see God begin to open opportunities for you. And it's going to be difficult, but David followed the obedience to God, submitted to authority, and saw God elevate him to the place of kingship to bring God glory.
งั้นเฮลัวจอมยาอาเดออายาอุโมยมือพายจอยาวเนี่ยอาเดอขุตาอายาเดือชุลิพายเดลิพายนึงมานี่นึกนึกอยู่เท้าเนี่ยอายาอุโมยมือพายจอนามีเยอะกุลองกุเลียวและตามีของเราพังลาลูแม่เลยอเมนสัมภาดาบีอายอสัมภาสลูมาเมียอายอเสร็จแล้วแค่ขอขออายออุโมยมือจังยาวเย่บ่อยจังละกันเย่บ่อยมาจังหูนี่อายสัมพังมาผือมามือมีเนี่ยอายเดซีมีเยอะกุลองที่เพียงนี้ก็กะยามอง
So it's important we understand this principle. You can't earn God's love. He loves you. You cannot make God love you any more, any less than he does now. But God's blessing over our life is conditional.
มีเยอะกาเจียมาปูมาพาลาเดอดือยมขอกามามือขอกาไม่ดีมีเยอะมาอายุเอกาขอกาดื้อถามมีเนี่ยคนนี้เวมือจีซากุลองซาหัวเนี่ยขอยาเดนอกุลองซามาซางากุลองซาหมอมีเฮ้ดับเบียอายาอุโมจอนยามีเนี่ยกุลองซาเมเธอมีเนี่ยอาดื้อจีอาดูเพื่อมือล้อขอมีเยอะกันไหมขอกลังซามอนามีเยอะกว่ามือจีซามอนานึกอยู่เท้าอายาอุโมยาจอนยาอาเมน
It's because the favor and blessing of God is attracted to humility and it is repulsed by pride and arrogance.
นึกอยู่ถึงกุลังก็จีก็เปียกุลังเช็คช่องก็จีน้ออายุเกี่ยวเนี่ยกุลังก็เนี่ยยุก็เนี่ยละก็เนี่ยละช่องก็เนี่ยละน่ะนึกอยู่เท้าเนี่ยอายาอุโมจอนยาเฮ้เธอเป็นแรงดึงดูดพระพรและความโปรดปรานของพระเจ้า
James chapter 4 verse 6 and we'll close.
เฮ้คืออาศัยเดือดที่อยากกูเดินมาเดือดจากกูที่นี่สมขอมีเยอะกุลยศ我们呢比那老咩，米耶你嘛和出行拉桥，你嘛能有你二出行，กุลยศ比咩，阿门。
So how many here want God's blessing on your life?
เฮ้ก็เจ้ากุลซามออามีกาเจ้าเลยอะไรแบบนี้นะสิฮาเลลูยา
Let's all stand together.
ที่ก็รู้ทุ่มมาอะไรที่ก็รู้ทุ่มมา
I want us to take just 1 minute and I want us to pray.
เฮ้ยมอายามที่เคยยัวเนี่ยกุลชามา
I want us to ask God to examine our hearts. What areas of my life have pride, have arrogance? What areas of my life have retaliation in them? And just let God reveal those.
哎呀，和有么呢？有哈能忙有哈吃么好些，啊的能忙和钱啦啦，破木毛能忙啦啦，哎呀，我们嘛脚毛要对起，将那个要对起，将火也那个刀，切火个啊刀，回来个能忙呀人家啦，能忙啦会。
Some of you also have been hurt by abusive authority.
我们个阿姨个出萨拉马萨拉罗，那能嘛比拉那头用啊来死了呢？
And God wants to heal you today.
米耶农时鸟农能嘛好么路咩？
Some of you, God's asking you to forgive and to release.
系牛米耶农安尼啦呀的，一把票了。
Let's just take a few minutes and pray.
系牛面能条อุดุธมอ那ที่เคยจมาอะไรอยู่หันนึงมังเชื่อมหัวเชอดีอายาอุโมมาจอญาพายสาระเถาเจียาลาลานึงมาหือเจียาลาลามังเงิน่าเย่บอเสลวยจังละมีเนี่ยเย่บอเสลวยจังหูมังเงิน่ายอดดูจังละมีเนี่ยยอดดูจังหูอ่ะมีเย่ละงามังเงิน่ามาชอพาย个床ชอจะบูจะดูอีบ้าเถายาขาดาวอากูจีบัดนั้นอายาอุโมมาจอนยานา有些时候侬推门的啦的，推门的啦会去，米样一把下片，一把下片个米样一把片的啦咩？还这个路米样同下卡阿老跟人下嘛？哈利路亚，哈利路亚，阿达米哟，孬么咩？俺哈你忙孬好么路咩？俺哈你妈啦会嘛操节阿个节啦，嘛烧节阿个节啦。哦，你妈何解安啦？也不是罗家父母你妈安啦，嘛么解将那个也那个多呢，有嘛么解将父呢解安啦，嘛我呢嘛桥牌个出行桥路啦，家不家对，一把头也卡到节，哦啊一个装去来得来节，将父呢哦你妈会安啦，孬是鸟孬么咩？俺一把下片嘛的，俺累咩？哦，阿道，我孬搞路咩？阿有对个好搞路咩？哎，好孬搞有大，孬鬼么接啥么咩？孬个人啥么咩？我你有头呢？哎呀，我莫叫人家吃饭的啦。我阿姨个装，女朋友呢，女母人呢，要是帮人呢，哦，阿道，孬我你忙呢，破么就有真的啦，女的就有真的啦。家对就有在那了，哈利路亚，哈利路亚！哎呦，你忙呢？家不家对就对，你对就对，一把头就对，一卡刀就对。俺们呢，晓得耶稣怎么样过呢？俺你妈拉回呢？你妈何解走在嘛？家不家对节有在吗？一把他节有在吗？破能嘛比在吗？么能嘛比在吗？一能呢？能哎呀，我没叫人啦你，米也可能要涨回嘛？阿达米有。แต่บีนึงมาเท่ารวยงาขอบีทานยันเนี่ยล่ะอายาอุโมบีจอนยันเนี่ยล่ะเย่บอยจังละก็เย่บอยมาจังคนนี้ยอดดูจังหัวอายังเย่ละก็มาตอนนี้อีบ้าบีเพียยันเนี่ยล่ะยอดดูจีมังเงนี่ยอดดูจีมาจังคนนี้มาจาปูนี่มาจาดูนี่มาพูนี่มามือนี่อายาอุโมบิจอนยันเนี่ยล่ะ 哎呀，有莫叫鸟，哎呀，比怎么样的啦？你呢？你有头？哎呀，有莫比较样的啦？我讲嘛，侬那啥家子头个讲嘛？侬到啥家子头咩？你有头呢？哎呀，有莫叫出行？侬跟了比妈来一头咩？哎呀，都过年嘛来一头咩？我讲呢，你有头？哎呀，有莫叫做嘛？啥家子伢呢？我是伢呢？侬跟了要怎会嘛？耶稣出面我要跟了下嘛？阿门。那个大米也跟人家讲嘛？阿门。没学个装，学个等比也比混的。
啊，这是。